Wow! So, di krapuan welcome sa aking channel. And for today's video, we're gonna have a reaction video. Parang masyadong malapit yata ako sa camera. We're gonna have a reaction video to T-pop. And as you can see on my video, I have a, oh my god, I have a pimple on my face and I'm really sad. Oh my god. And anyway, we're gonna have a reaction video to my Ambulance One Love Asia version, featuring si Paris, and I don't know, let's see who is his ka-collaborated, but walang nakalagay dito. So still, we're gonna play the video and watch. Ay, loading. Ang tabako yata. Kaya, Paris, nakap. Wadi kap. Lord Makmak. Ah, papunakrap. That's Thai language. Gwapo ni Paris. Oh my god. Vietnamese. Say dry to be now and then. Ang hirap kantahin. It's really hard to sing Vietnamese song for me. Favorite part ko yung rap ni Paris din eh. Ang gapo ni Paris. Hindi siya Chinese. Chinese ba to? Chinese. 1 star with 5 stars, no? Kita kembali ke masa yang indah, Malaysian. Selalu bersama, tak kira di mana. Kau di sana menjaga. Wow! Sesama kita. I think sesama kita is together. Parang together. Paris is so cool and I really adore him. Nag-play ba? Nag-iisip ka pa rin. Oh my God! Tagalog! Sai! Tagalog, pakinggan mo. Tigada ba pa rin ba ang mga mali mo? Oh, cute! Dedma. Actually, Dedma is it's an English word, na parang slang word here in the Philippines. And I'm really glad and it's very, kasi ginamit nila yung dinededma talaga. Ang cute! Nalaka! Hindi ko alam kung paano. Pwede ba ikaw muna? Ang cute! Wow! Japanese. Nihongo. Ay, nalakmag. Yang ku kamu masih cinta atau enggak? Indonesian. Andai tetapi rasanya jauh di hatimu ada siapa tak tahu. Ayan, Cambodian. Ang haba. Wow! Ang cute talaga ng song. It's really cute. Yeah, the classic one. Ang cute ni Paris. Sure that I can. Na 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 na. This is the girl who was collaborated in his original My Ambulance. Nagpalit lang siguro ng hair color. That's why I don't recognize her. And that's the official video of One Love Asia version of My Ambulance by The Music featuring Paris. And actually, I really like Paris and the way he sing. I really like it. And actually, Nadaw Music is a great producer of singers such as Belkin, Paris, Jailer, and Salute. Yes, Salute. Wow. And that's the official, that's my reaction video to One Love Asia's My Ambulance of Nadaw Music. So please, to all my Puans in Thailand, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's me, Puyo de Mesa. And please share my videos and my channel so I can have more Puas. So that's all for my vlog. I hope you like it. Keep safe, Puans. ขอบคุณครับ